Hi everyone. So a couple years ago I built a 3D printer and I built it big enough that I could print half of a drum. So finally, here we are 3 years later, I finally got around to printing out the drum. So as you can see, it's a little bit larger than my Hossam Ramsey drum, but it uses the same size head. So I have a 9-inch Cleartone Remo head on here that I picked up on Amazon. Unfortunately, it's the older style that doesn't have the curled brim. It has the glued-in brim. That's what I get for Amazon shopping. I guess you get some new old stock. Anyhow, this is what it sounds like. So that extra size gives it a really nice doom. All in all, very happy with it. It's very smooth. It threads together. Now, unfortunately, it's a little tight and I can't get it apart anymore. But I'll work on that and see if we can't show you how it threads together. There are pictures at the end of the video of the individual halves so you can see how they were printed. So this thing weighs 7.4 pounds altogether, so there's actually quite a lot of plastic in it, and that was one of the tricks and one of the reasons it took so long to actually finish, because I had to find rolls of plastic big enough for the individual pieces. Anyhow, talk to you guys later. Bye.